guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Shopify login problems. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering here, how do you fix a problem that you are unable to log into Shopify? Now there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your browser is not the problem here. So maybe you want to go ahead and open up your browser and you want to open up an incognito tab. So usually at the top right, you have your three-dotted button here. So in this case, you want to open up your incognito, so new incognito window. Now from here, you want to access Shopify and basically try logging in. So sometimes your actual browser is the problem. So what you need to do is you just need to make sure that it's not a problem. Go enter your email or choose either of the following three options here at the very bottom, either Facebook or Google, and basically try to log in. Now, if you are able to log in into incognito, it means that the problem itself is going to be your browser. So what do you need to do here? So in this case, the first thing you want to do into your default browser here, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you want to check the extensions that you currently have. Sometimes if you for example, installed an extension, sometimes that actually can affect different websites. So that could also affect Shopify here. That's why you're unable to log in. So you want to go to your extensions, manage extensions, and you want to make sure to uninstall or disable them and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you want to do here is you want to maybe clear your history. Now at the top right, go and click on three-dotted option and you want to go to settings, and in here you want to go ahead and go to privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data, and from here choose the following. So you could choose cookies and other site data, cache images and files, and you could also select browsing history. Now select at least like 4 weeks or all time if you can, and from then on you could go ahead and basically click on delete data at the bottom right here. But in this case, I would definitely suggest you to they check that if you really need this one, because this will actually delete your browsing history. So yeah. So typically speaking, this could actually help you a lot with the problems that you're currently experiencing on Shopify. But if none of those work and it's still working, or in this case, the problem itself is not your browser, so you aren't able to log in into your incognito tab here. What you need to do is you just need to do a reset of your on your password. So obviously we just need to go to log in here. So let's go to log in, and instead of just simply logging in, you could go ahead and click on the forgot password here if you can. And yeah, so also if you have like a passkey here, try using that instead to log in into your Shopify account. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.